Your apartment is fitted with a fridge freezer. The temperature for the refrigerator is controlled here, with this dial operating. The black dot is off, 1 is the warmest, up to 5, which is the coldest. We recommend having it between 3 and 4. The freezer compartment at the bottom has no temperature controls. The appliance regulates the temperature itself. This particular model also has a water dispenser. Lift the flap here and fill water up into the maximum line. You can then press this button and water will come out. If you have any issues using this appliance, please do not hesitate to contact us on guestservices@roomspace.com.